All right, let's take a look at one that involves division. Let's say we have, what's going on here? Y times x squared over a divided by x squared over a cubed. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to simply, so we can't just multiply this out like we did in the last problem. We got division here. So what we'll have to do is we'll rewrite the left side. Now we're going to change this division to multiplication, but we're going to flip the fraction. Becomes a cubed in the numerator and x squared in the denominator, and then we just multiply. Okay, flip the fraction and then just multiply. When we work complex fractions, coming up here in the next couple sections, it's kind of related to what we're doing now when we're doing division. Alright, so you would just say y times x squared times a cubed. I just multiply straight across, and it's all over a times x squared, just kind of lining them up still for right now. So we'll rewrite the y. We got 2 x's in the numerator, 2 x's in the denominator, so they're going to totally cancel out. 3 a's in the numerator, 1 in the denominator, so we're left with a squared. Okay, left with a squared, so that all reduces down. Alright, let's take a look at another one. So that was something that was simple. 20x squared y cubed over 7a squared b, okay, divided by 10 times x times y to the fifth. So this 10xy to the fifth is really written as 10xy to the fifth over 1. So you can think of this as, we'll write it over here, 10x y to the fifth, having a problem, is really written as that over 1. So what do? We flip it. Okay, we flip it, so I'm going to rewrite 20x squared y cubed over 7a squared b times, right, we change it to multiplication, 1 over 10x y to the fifth, and then we just simply multiply straight across. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this with 20x squared y cubed over 7a, right, let's put the x there, and we'll put the y to the fifth here. What are we left with? B. We'll just move it over there. How's that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Making sure I got 6. Uh-oh. What did I leave out? Oh, I left out a 10. I could actually reduce that. Okay, we don't want to make any mistakes there. We know that, right, 10 goes into 20 2 times. Okay, 10 goes into 20 2 times. So let's just go ahead and take care of that. So we'll put the 2 there. Okay, we have 2 x's, 1 x. That's going to reduce down to just an x. Okay, we have y cubed, y to the fifth. So it looks like we're going to be rewriting that y, but in the denominator. Let's go ahead and write this 7. We'll go ahead and rewrite the a. Okay, we don't have to write the y. And looks like, uh-oh, I forgot. That's okay, we can write it here. So that's going to be y squared. Y squared. 7 times 8 times, wait a minute. Did I lose something somewhere? Let's look here. Yeah, what happened? I didn't write. This should have been a squared. Okay. We'll make that correction there. 2x over 7 times a squared times b times y squared. Okay. Good enough. I think that's enough for this problem. So all you got to do is just rewrite it and turn it, into a multiplication problem. Flip it, turn it into a multiplication problem. That's pretty much it. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial.